At Indue, our goal is to work and keep you working. In this video, we showcase our Indue Tier 2 vertical wall system and Indu-Crete MT system. First, we start by prepping the area. This image shows our mix room that was set up on site. Each project has a unique scope. At Ocean Spray in Chatsworth, there was 8,000 square feet of vertical wall work and an additional 9,000 square feet of flooring work. This job took 8 days and a 16-man crew to complete. This tech drawing shows our Tier 2 vertical wall system. It is a high-performance, trowel-applied application. Here is the real-life system. This tech rendering shows our Indu-Crete MT system. It is a 1/4-inch hand-troweled polymer floor coating. Here is the real-life system.